Look out your window. What do you see? A patch of grass? A place to park your lawnmower? To a modern entrepreneur, that backyard is not just dirt. It is a gold mine waiting to be tapped. There is a huge misconception that you need 50 acres and a tractor to make money farming. That is false. In fact, smaller farms often make more profit per square foot than massive industrial farms. In this video, I'm going to give you a blueprint on how to turn a standard 1,000 square foot backyard into a consistent $1,000 per month income stream. We'll look at the crops, the layout, and most importantly, the math behind the money. Let's get to work. The fastest way to hit that $1,000 goal is by growing salad mixes. Americans eat billions of dollars worth of salad every year, but the stuff in the supermarket is often old and tasteless. Here's the business model. You grow baby leaf lettuce, arugula, and kale. You harvest them young, wash them, and bag them. Let's look at the math. A standard 5-ounce bag of organic, locally grown salad mix sells for about $6 at a farmer's market. To make $1,000 a month, you need to sell roughly 166 bags. That sounds like a lot, but it breaks down to just 42 bags per week. You can easily produce this amount in just 6 to 8 garden beds, about 30 inches wide by 20 feet long. The turnover is fast, about 30 to 40 days, so you're constantly replanting and harvesting. It is the most reliable cash crop for backyard farmers. Maybe you don't have a sunny backyard. Maybe you only have a dark garage or a shed. Can you still make $1,000? Absolutely. Enter the world of gourmet mushrooms, specifically oyster and lion's mane mushrooms. These are high-value props that sell for $12 to $20 per pound. Here's why this is brilliant. Mushrooms don't need soil. They grow on bags of straw or sawdust. To hit your $1,000 monthly target, you only need to sell about 60 to 80 pounds of mushrooms a month. That's just 20 pounds a week. You can achieve this production in a small 10 by 10 foot tent inside your garage. Restaurants go crazy for fresh gourmet mushrooms because they can't get them from large distributors without them spoiling. You are solving a problem for them, and they will pay you handsomely for it. The third model is the micro nursery. Instead of selling the vegetables, you sell the plants. In the spring, everyone wants to start a garden, but they hate starting seeds. You can start thousands of tomato, pepper, and herb seedlings on shelves under grow lights in your basement or spare room. The math: a healthy tomato start in a 4-inch pot sells for $5. To make $1,000, you need 200 plants. In the peak season, April and May, you can easily sell 200 plants in a single weekend at a busy market. This model has the highest profit margin because a seed costs pennies, a pot costs cents, and you sell the final product for dollars. It's a seasonal hustle, but incredibly profitable. So, whether you choose the salad mix route for consistent weekly income, the mushroom garage for high-value sales, or the micro nursery for seasonal cash bombs, the opportunity is right outside your back door. You don't need more land, you need a better plan. Stop mowing your lawn and start growing your bank account. If this video gave you a new idea, hit that like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.